So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick, and at first, I thought it was just another one of those quirky remedies that don't really do much. But she swore by it, saying it had completely transformed her mornings, no more waking up with that puffy, bloated feeling. I was intrigued, so I decided to give the gelatin trick a try, and I have to say, it's been a game changer for me too. The idea behind the gelatin trick is that it helps to heal and seal the gut lining, reducing inflammation and allowing your body to absorb nutrients more efficiently. As someone who's struggled with bloating and discomfort after meals, I found that incorporating the gelatin trick into my daily routine has made a huge difference. I feel more balanced, more energized, and my digestion is so much smoother. By using the gelatin trick, I've been able to drop that heavy, sluggish feeling that used to weigh me down. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in my description below for a simple, easy-to-follow recipe. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with the gelatin trick, head to the pinned comment below and let's get the conversation started.